Everyone, it is Hannah here, and welcome to our Pick My Brain theory. So today's topic is actually around family business. So as we mentioned, if you are running a family business, you can hire your son, your daughter in the business, give them some salary, and then you can save business tax effectively. But here there are people asking what would be the reasonable amount if there's an allowance, if there's a minimum, maximum, what is reasonable? So in terms of like how much is a reasonable amount to pay, of course, as long as you are doing it legally, properly, and then there's no maximum amount. So here it's, of course, you cannot um, pay your son some salary just for the sake of avoiding tax only. So if you are really hiring your son or daughter, first of all, you need to make sure you need to be clear what are the duties they are performing for your business. Are they helping you to do the admin? Are you helping to do certain work or do the bookkeeping or anything else? So you need to be very clear, and would be ideal to have a written agreement. Again, that doesn't have to be a full employment contract. Of course, if that's something you feel the right thing to do, go for it. But at least there's some sort of written agreement or the email that's in black and white to clearly state the duty your son or daughter will be performing for the business and their salary. And the second thing you need to consider is their age, because for certain age, there's a certain amount of hours they are allowed to work. But if they are 16 or even older, like 18, they probably have no problem of working full time for you. But do check on gov.uk website on the exactly amount of hours they are allowed to work. And the third thing is to need to watch out for national minimum wage for that age. So, of course, if these three things get touched and everything is legally done, make sure your son or daughter is actually doing some work for you, and the amount of salary will reflect to the duty he or she is performing. There is nothing wrong if you want to pay more to them if they are doing higher level duties. But one safe thing to check is really Google the market rate. Like if you will hire the person for the same position, what will be the salary the market is paying? Then effectively you need to match the market rate for for your son or daughter for the duty they are performing for the business. So again, just to recap, of course, there is tax advantage for you to just hire your family member for your business. Um, and currently, one of the clients, he has hired his 16-year-old son in his private clinic. And then at the moment, his son is getting about £8,000 a year. That is well under the tax-free allowance, so that wouldn't trigger any further tax burden for his son. And also, effectively, the business will save the business tax for the year. Okay, so I hope you find this useful. Just to recap, what you need to watch out for. First of all, do have be clear of what are the duties your family member he or she will be performing, and have a written agreement. Doesn't have to be formal. Even the informal one will do. And second thing, watch out the amount of hours he or she is allowed to work for the age. And third thing, do watch out for the national minimum wage. Okay, so I hope you find this one useful. If you do have any questions about hiring your family member and running the payroll, or even any questions about tax, please be free to let me know. You can connect me on Facebook. I have a private Facebook group. It's called Tax Deductible Lifestyle Tribe. So I will have the link below. And please click the link and request to join. Also, not just you can connect with me, but you can also connect with our panel of experts. We have financial advisors, we have business advisors who can help you to earn more money and grow your wealth. Okay, again, I hope you find this one helpful for you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye now.